Hello, I'm Tom Gretto, the listing agent for 39 Applegate Lane in Woodbury, Connecticut. This 3,100 square foot colonial is located near the Southbury town line at the end of a cul-de-sac. The house sits on 2.5 acres and features terrific western views thanks to the elevation. Let's take a walk through the home, starting with this entrance through the French doors into the family room. The 19 by 14 foot room has a large bay window facing the back of the house, a wood-burning fireplace, hardwood floors, cathedral ceiling, and exceptional views through the western-facing French doors. Leaving the family room, we go up 2 steps into a hallway, past a half bathroom, and head towards the kitchen. The kitchen features granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, a propane gas cooktop, a breakfast nook, wood-burning fireplace, and French doors that lead to a 3-season porch. From the porch, you have access to the private bluestone patio in the back of the house. The dormers to the left and center are the master bedroom and walk-in closet. The dormer on the right is the front guest bedroom. To the left of the foyer is a sunken living room with wood-burning fireplace, hardwood floors, and in the back, a bay window that faces the rear of the house. The raised section of the living room with the bay window leads back to the kitchen. There's the stone fireplace, breakfast nook, and the French doors that lead back to that 3-season porch. Continuing on past a breakfast bar, the double oven, and towards the front of the house into the formal dining room with the sunlit western views. Let's take a look at the second floor bedrooms. We'll start with the master bedroom suite. Hardwood floors, a wood-burning fireplace, and an updated bath. The hall bath features a Corian countertop double vanity and a combination tub and shower. Down the hall are the 2 guest bedrooms. The 14 by 12 front-facing bedroom and the 14 by 11 bedroom that faces the back of the house, both with hardwood floors. We're back in the family room again to take a look at this doorway that leads to a vestibule where you have the entrance to the garage, a door that leads to the bluestone patio and also serves as an entrance to the bonus room above the garage. This 25 by 19 foot bonus room has a full bath, giving it in-law potential, or it would make a great home studio or a gathering place for friends. Rounding out the features are this 14 kilowatt standby generator with automatic transfer switch and a garden shed. Thanks for watching. If you'd like more information or to schedule a showing, give me a call. I'll be happy to assist you.